That meal looks delicious, doesn't it? You ignited, you sautéed, you seared, and you served. Wow, that tastes good. All for the love of cooking. And you cooked with All-Clad, the original bonded cookware. American-made and best in class. We bond, and we form, we etch, and we rivet. At least 24 hands crafted this pan. Look at that shine. Gorgeous, isn't it? And it cooks even better. From Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, straight to your kitchens. We make durable and high-performance cookware for all your kitchen adventures.
We ignited this flame almost half a century ago in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. It would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. All-Clad quickly became the choice for demanding chefs and ignited desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the All-Clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-Clad. Ignite your passion.